Got a DSZ file from a 3D character marketplace and want to install the asset? This package format delivers content for DAZ Studio. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with DAZ Studio assets. Before we wrap up, I want to emphasize our final step. We will showcase how a single, robust DSZ file inspection utility offers maximum efficiency by solving hundreds of file type issues. A .DSZ file is encountered by users of DAZ Studio, a 3D character creation and rendering application. It is a compressed archive containing assets like 3D models, textures, and poses. The user's goal is to install these assets into their DAZ Studio library to use them in their 3D scenes and projects. The .DSZ format is essentially a zip archive with a custom extension designed by DAZ 3D for content distribution. This allows multiple files, meshes, maps, scripts to be bundled into a single package. The zip structure provides standard compression and easy extraction, simplifying the installation process for the end user. There is a direct software link between DSZ and DAZ Studio by DAZ 3D. Windows often fails to decompress all components within this complex format. Windows can preview some archive details, but full extraction requires compatible applications. Let's find the specific program that reads the file structure. Right-click the DSZ file and select Open With. Test DAZ Studio if it appears. If not, choose another application. One of them is the right match. When your DSZ file does not open, it is usually a small issue. The problem is usually not complex. It is almost certainly one of 3 easily fixable errors. I've created a simple list showing the 3 main culprits and their verification steps. First, installing with DAZ. Install Manager. Use DAZ Install Manager or DAZ Central to install DSZ assets automatically. The application processes the package, placing files in correct DAZ Studio content directories and registering assets in the library. This automated approach ensures proper installation with all dependencies tracked correctly. Next, manual extraction. Extract DSZ files manually using 7-zip or any zip-compatible archiver if automatic installation fails. Place extracted contents in your DSZ Studio content directory, following the package's internal directory structure. Refresh the DSZ Studio content library to recognize newly installed assets. Finally, browsing in Smart Content. After installation, locate new assets through DSZ Studio's Smart Content panel, which categorizes content by type and compatibility. Apply assets to scenes by dragging or double-clicking. The intelligent organization makes large content libraries manageable across many DSZ packages installed over time. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.